Alright guys, you're welcome to my channel. This is Anika Evans once again. In case you haven't seen our previous video, please do to check our channel and you'll see it there. Alright, in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a YouTube channel. Okay, in case you're thinking of creating a YouTube channel, I want you to know that you're going to find exactly what you need in this particular video. So please do not go away, stay tuned, and we'll be back in a moment. Alright, you're welcome back to our video. Now let me proceed. Before you create a YouTube channel, there are some few things we need to know. Okay, you need to know what's your niche. You need to know how you're going to go about editing your videos. So I believe if you have any of those if you want to find out issues and information on all those things, check our channels. You'll see videos that can help you with that. Okay, so in this particular video, like I said, I'm going to be revealing to you how to create a YouTube channel using both your mobile phone as well as your computer. So as such, I want you to follow me to my system. Let me show you how we roll. So to create a YouTube channel using your mobile phone, you first need to have an email account. So if you don't have an email account, just get up to your browser and you just type create Gmail account. Okay, once you type create Gmail account, okay, you click on the first one, create a Gmail account. Click on it. Now I already have lots of email accounts, so I wouldn't want to create another one. So I'm just going to be showing you how to create yours. Okay, so you click on this create, if you can see it, create an account. Okay, just click on it, okay, and you'll be given here. Have you seen this place? Now at this point, I already have an account in my phone, that's why it's showing me this already. But if you don't have an account already, you'll be required to insert your email. Okay, so once you click create, okay, you will ask to put in your name, your phone number. But because I already have an account, it's taking me to my account that I already have signed in. This is my phone. Okay, so just click on this create account, okay, and then follow the prompts, okay, and you'll be able to create your own email account. Okay, so once you're able to create your own email account, the next thing to do is to create a YouTube channel. All you have to do is to make sure you have the YouTube app on your phone. So just head up to my phone and then the YouTube app is it over here. If you can see it, this YouTube app. Okay, so once you're done creating your email, click on YouTube. Okay, now when you click on YouTube, you get to this is the home page for YouTube. Okay, your one can be different from this. Okay, so just click on this look at this place that looks like how do I call it, yeah, this place. Okay, click on it. Okay, I clicked on this place. Have you seen this icon? Let me move this thing to one side. I click on this place, then I go to this interface you are seeing here. Okay, next one to do is I already have a YouTube account, so I'll click on switch. Okay, if you don't have YouTube account already, you see this place that says switch. This place that says switch account, you see create. Okay, but because I already have an account, you just click on that place. Okay, you click on it. I click on it, and these are the emails on my phone. I already have YouTube account already. Okay, so you select the email that you just created. Like me, these two email already has YouTube account, so this other one doesn't have. This last one doesn't have YouTube account. So your own, the one you just created will come up first. Okay, if you're just creating your YouTube channel, your Gmail account. Okay, so all I have to do just to click that email account. So I click on this email account that doesn't have YouTube channel. Okay, I click on it. Okay, and it opens up here. Okay, so you can see the place have changed to this. Okay, if you have observed, that place have changed. It has changed to um a P. Okay, so you click on it again. Click on it again. Okay, you see where it say create channel. Can you see it up here? See, it say create channel. Good. You click on it. Okay, now you can be here, be able to insert the picture you want to use in your channel, your channel icon. Okay, so let me just choose one from my phone, anyone, any random one. I'll just choose anything from my phone. I think I do have some pictures here. Let me just choose, don't mind it's my pictures, let me just choose anyone. Okay, okay, so I just select on it. Okay, when you are done cropping, you just say save picture as profile. Good. And then this is my name already. Okay, and then you have this the handle. So now this handle you are seeing will now be your YouTube name. So if anybody wants to find, the person will type at this name you are seeing. Your own will be there from my own. Okay, when you are creating your Gmail account, put the name you want. So it's the name that is in my Gmail account that they use to form this my handle. Okay, if you can see it, this handle. Good. So just this is it. So now after you've inserted your picture, if you want to change this name, you can change it. If you want to change this handle, just click on this pin. This pin you are seeing here, this pin icon. If you want to change the name on the channel, you can also click on this other one also. Okay, but I don't want to change it. Okay, if you want to change it, just click on it. Like I'm clicking on it. Change the name, simple. When you're done, save. Okay, I don't want to change my own. Click on it. Okay, change the handle name if you wish. When you're done, you click save. But like I said, I'm not changing my own. So the next thing to just to click here on this create channel. Okay, and I click on it. Okay, it's loading. My channel has been created. You can see now the channel has been created. So all I have to do, anytime I want to upload videos, just come to YouTube the app like this, click on this icon. Okay, I don't know if you see what I just clicked now. Let me highlight it for you. Okay, I see just click on this your icon you. Okay, just click on it. And once you click on it, you see where they say view channel. Okay, see this place, they say view channel. Okay, so you click on it. Okay, once you click on it, okay, you're already in your channel. So here now you can be able to upload videos, create videos. Okay, I'm able to upload videos and create videos. You just want to create video, just click on create. Okay, create video here. Just click on create and you can be able to upload video. See all these options. Upload videos, create a short. So from here I'm able to create videos on YouTube. So that's just how to create a YouTube channel using your mobile phone. I believe that's simple enough. Now to create a YouTube channel using your desktop, okay, your laptop, your system, okay, just almost similar procedure like we did using the mobile phone. So all you have to do to create channels for you to go to YouTube, you just type YouTube, okay, YouTube, yeah, just type YouTube, okay, and search for it, okay. Make sure you sign in, very, very important. Make sure you sign in on this your Chrome browser. I'm using Chrome. Make sure you sign. You can see me have signed in. Okay, so make sure you sign in on this Chrome browser using that email account that you already have, or just create a new one. I have showed how to create email account when I was showing you how to use the mobile phone. Okay, so just create your Gmail account. After creating it, then you sign it in on this on your system before you type on this YouTube and search. So you see YouTube here, this first one, you click on it. Okay, so you click on this YouTube. Now when you get to the YouTube homepage, what you need to do to create your YouTube channel using your email account that you just created or you already have. Have you seen this please? Create. Okay, you click on it. You click on upload video. Now you see I didn't have YouTube account on this email before. So this is how your own will be. So all you have to do is for you to come down here. If you seen this down here, click on create channel. And instantly my channel has been created as you have seen here. If you could recall this interface when we created the other channel using mobile phone, you can see it's similar to this. So instantly my channel has been created. It's as simple as you can see, it's very simple. With this, I can now be able to upload videos from this point. I can upload videos, but mind you, this I want to give as an advice. Don't just create an email account today, then use the email account to create YouTube channel and then upload video that same day. No, don't do that. It is not healthy. Your email, your Gmail account will be banned, will be restricted, and likewise the channel. So the advice I can give to you is after creating your email account and then you use email account to create your channel, let it be for at least 1 or 2 weeks before you can then start uploading videos. Okay, so that's just how to create your channel. You can be able to now start uploading videos. You know, can start uploading videos if you wish. So this is the channel itself. Okay, this is channel itself. Upload videos from here. After either you click here to upload your video or you just click on upload video here, any of the two. Okay, so that's just how to create your YouTube channel. I believe that is helpful. If it was helpful, please do consider subscribing.
All right, that's basically how to create your YouTube channel using your mobile phone as well as your computer. I believe you got that right. And if you know you have any questions at all, please do well to drop it in the comment section and I will answer all of them, okay? And please don't forget to subscribe, okay? It will really do us more good. We really appreciate you if you subscribe and equally like the video. Thank you very much and see you in my next video.